Welcome to the Complete PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add an IVR in Complete PBX. To begin, click on PBX. Click on the Incoming Calls tab, then click on IVR from the dropdown. We'll first configure the general settings. Type in a description for this IVR. Select the class of service, which controls which numbers can be dialed if direct dial is enabled. In most cases, you'll want to leave this on the default setting of extensions only. With this setting, the caller will only be able to dial internal extension numbers. The Invalid Tries option regulates how many invalid attempts are allowed. The options range from 1 to 5 tries. You can also disable it from here. Next, you can configure the welcome message to use the default setting or choose any message you've uploaded from the dropdown. The instructions message plays after the welcome message. This is an option if you want to separate your greeting from your instructions. It's set to none by default. The invalid retry message is the message to be played back whenever an invalid option is received and will be told to try again. The invalid message option is played back when the maximum number of invalid tries is reached and will be sent to the invalid destination. The response timeout setting is configured to go off when the caller doesn't dial or press any option. In this case, it's set to 10 seconds. The digit timeout setting is configured to go off when the caller does not enter additional digits. It's set to 2 seconds by default. The timeout tries option is the number of tries a caller can have when a call times out. You can set the timeout retry message to play after a timeout, which will prompt the user to try again. This will only play if there are tries available. The timeout message is the message that will be played back before the caller is sent to the timeout destination. This message will play when all of the tries have been used. The welcome after timeout option can be set to on if you want the welcome message to be replayed after the timeout retry message. If the welcome after retry is turned on, it will replay the main IVR welcome message after the invalid retry message. If you turn on direct dial, this enables direct calls to any number that the class of service configured on this IVR allows. The invalid destination is where you will send and how you will handle calls when the caller has entered all of the invalid tries. The timeout destination is where you'll send and how you'll handle call timeouts. Next, click on the Entries tab. From here, you can enter the digit for callers to press. Then you can select the destination to send the call. Click on Add for each additional key press option. Click on Save when you're finished. Then click on the Reload icon on the top right corner. Click on the menu label in the upper right corner of the IVR General Settings. Click on the IVR you just created. Click on the Relations tab. You can see if there are any sources or destinations for your IVR, if any exist. Congratulations! You've successfully created an IVR in Complete PBX. Check back for more helpful videos in Complete PBX, as well as other helpful guides.